Okay, in this video, we're going to be taking expressions and giving the numbers something that makes them more real. Instead of it just being a boring equation like this, 9 plus 3 in parentheses times 4, what can that mean? What does that mean? That's what's really cool to think about. Okay, so now, let's say, I don't know, what do we want 9 plus 3 in parentheses times 4 to mean? First of all, you got to think about, okay, so I am taking 9 plus 3 of something first, and then I am multiplying it by 4. So there's going to be 4 groups of 9 plus 3. What would I add 9 plus 3 to start? And then why would there be 4 groups of it? Okay, so here is something that we can do. Okay, again, at the request of my daughter, we have butterflies. So here's what we're going to say. We're going to say on one day, I saw 9 butterflies in the morning and 3 more in the afternoon. Now again, I have to add those to say how many total butterflies I saw per day. And then to have my groups of 4, I would say, and I saw the exact amount of butterflies for 4 days in a row. And again, you would have to put that parentheses around these because I have to know the total of one day first before I multiply it by 4. So, how many total butterflies did I see in 4 days? Because I saw 9 butterflies in the morning, 3 more in the afternoon, which means I saw 12 all day. And amazingly, I saw the exact same amount of butterflies for 4 straight days, which means that I saw 48 butterflies. 48 beautiful butterflies in those 4 days. Okay? So that's one example. Here's another example. Okay? So here's a bit longer of an expression. We have 12 divided by 3 times 6 plus 2. Now again, what you need to think about, what you're going to be assigned here is, what do these numbers mean? What purpose can I give to these numbers? Well, what you need to think about is this. All right? I have a total of 12 that I'm going to split into groups of 3. Whatever that answer is, I'm going to have 6 groups of, or 6 more of, or something like that. And then at the end, we just have 2 more that come in. Okay, so again, a total of 12 that I'm splitting into groups of 3, that is going to be 6 times bigger, and then 2 more come in at the end. Okay, now again, order of operation means I do parentheses, which there are no parentheses. Then I have to do multiplication and division in the order that they come from left to right. So division first, multiplication last, and then addition. So what are we going to do? Okay, so here's this one. We are going to have 12 total pigs that we have. And then we're going to have 3 pig pens. So 12 total pigs and 3 pig pens. That's going to tell me how many pigs go in each pen. Then I'm going to get 6 more pig pens, which is going to tell me how many pigs I have in those total. Okay, so this is going to tell me how many pigs go in each pen. This is going to tell me how many pigs I have with all my pig pens. And then this is going to tell me that I have 2 more pigs coming. So here's what it is. 12 pigs, 3 pens, 6 more pens, and 2 more pigs. So, if I have 12 pigs and I have 3 pens, how many times does 3 go into 12? Well,
Nice.
3, 6, 9, 12. So that means I have 4 pigs per pen. Then I get 6 more pens. So how many pigs can I put in there? I already have 12 pigs, all right, which 4 to each pen. And if I get 6 more pens, that means I'm going to have 24 pigs. But then someone gives me 2 more pigs. So that means that I have a total of 26 pigs for those 6 pens. Okay? So again, there's just a random expression that I completely created a word problem for. All right? And that's what I want you to do. I'm going to give you 2 equations. One's going to be a little bit less and one's going to be a little bit more. And your guy's job is to create a scenario that would fit with the numbers. So you need to understand what division means, understand what multiplication means, understand what addition and subtraction mean to get that, to know what they mean. Okay? So let's see how you do with that.